Hello, everybody. This is Mr. Bush, and I'm going to be your social studies teacher for this upcoming school year. I'm really looking forward to working with you all virtually to start the year, and I just want to go ahead and show you a couple things that might be important for you as you get started here working in Schoology. First of all, to get to social studies, you're going to click on courses. You're going to go to social studies. There's also should be a picture of the Sphinx from Egypt in the social studies tab. You're going to click on that. My page is going to look a little bit different than yours, obviously, because you were looking at the teacher view of this and you have obviously the student view. But I do want to point out a couple things that you should see on your screen. First of all, I want to point out that you have the announcement feature, and so currently the announcement says, "Hello, social studies students," and it basically goes on to say that I am making this current screencast that you are watching about some important features of our social studies class. I am going to update this announcement section quite often. In the announcement section, it's going to say things that are important, some things that might be changed, some reminders, anything that is important for our class. So the most recent one will get pinned to the top of your page. And then if for some reason you need to check previous announcements, you can always click on updates and it will take you down to the bottom of the page where you can look at all of the updates that may have been sent to you. So as we head back to the main page, again, this is where the announcement will be, and I am going to be doing an announcement pretty much every day as we move forward virtually, just as reminders, giving you all that information that you need to know. I do want to point out that you are not able to see this many things on your screen. All of these are highlighted in gray because that is only for my view. You can see that it's unpublished. That means students are not able to see it. However, I do want to point out two things that are on your screen that is readily available at this point. Number one is this virtual school course syllabus, and I'm going to click on it and pull it up just to show you all what this is all about. In this course syllabus, it's going to talk about a lot of things that make successful sixth grade social studies students, what the course is all about, some of my expectations, what makes a good student. It talks a little bit about grading. Essentially, this is all the information at this point that you and your parents might need to know, or it might help answer some of their questions. We are going to get into all of that information at some point throughout the year, and you will gather this information. I'm not asking that you read this word for word, but if your parents have any questions, this document might be able to answer them pretty quickly. The one question that I have received a few times in the first week of school is the question that asks for class codes for social studies. And inside of this document, you can see that for each of my classes, I have my class codes listed. So if you have me for third period social studies, the code will be BUSH SS3. If you have me for period 7, your class code will be BUSH SS7. And these are also the times that it's asking you to meet. And these are the same times that should be on your schedule that you receive from your advisory teacher on Thursday, September 3rd. I am also going to post these codes in updates. I'm going to post them in an email to your parents and you as well. So these codes are going to be a lot of different places, but this might be the first place that you can look for your class code for our Google Meets. Now, the other thing that I want to point out, so I'm going to go back to my main page here, is that you should be able to see, in addition to the course syllabus, a blue folder that says week 1, September 8th through September 11th. Every week, I'm going to post all of the work for that week in a week folder. So the folder that you're looking at right now that I'm about to click on will be next week's folder. Inside of that folder, there will be subfolders for each day of the week. So a reminder to everybody that we do not have school next Monday, September 7th, due to Labor Day. And currently on your version, if you are looking at this over the weekend, you are unable at this point to see these subfolders, the Tuesday, the Wednesday, the Thursday, the Friday. However, I do want to show you what those folders will look like as soon as I unlock them after the weekend. So at the beginning of every week, probably Sunday night, in this week's case, I will do it Monday night because of the holiday, I will go in and unlock the weekly folder. When you click on that weekly folder, you will see these labeled subfolders for each day. So my expectation for you on Tuesday, September 8th is to log in, go to the weekly folder, go to Tuesday's folder, and inside of that folder, you will see that there will be a couple tasks for you to do. The first thing that I will ask you to do on Tuesday the 8th for social studies is that you will take part in our discussion posts. And all it is a very simple question that's kind of a get to know you question a little bit more so that you can learn about your classmates and that I can learn about you. And I've also will do one for myself in the discussion post. The next thing that you will see is a getting to know you document. In that document, you will complete a few questions and you will submit that work to me. And again, this thing will help you help me not only get to know you, but it will also help you for class moving forward. The third thing that will be in this folder is the course syllabus, which I also have on the main page. And the fourth thing is this screencast that I'm talking to you on right now. I will also link it in there. So because I do not have Google Meets with you on Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and on Mondays, when we have school on Mondays, you will click on those folders each day and you will do the work inside of those folders. On Wednesdays of each week, I will meet with you on Google Meets at the appropriate time on your schedules that you got from your advisory teacher. But there will also be a subfolder in there with just a little bit of information. So essentially, every day has its own folder. The live day, which is Wednesday, has its own folder, and I will meet with you on Google Meets. And every other day has its own folder that kind of spaces out the work for you and what I think you would accomplish in about 40-45 minutes. Some of you are probably going to ask me, hey, Mr. Bush, am I allowed to work ahead? The answer is absolutely you can work ahead, though I am not requiring anybody to move past the date that is the current date. So if it's Tuesday the 8th and you want to do work ahead, you're more than welcome to. I'm just not requiring it of my students until that day. One other thing I want to point out is the question's going to come up. What if I fall behind? My internet doesn't work. My computer wasn't working. I got sick. And I haven't done any work yet, and it's already Friday of that week. My answer to you is don't worry. You can go back and do this work. Work for every week will be due to me by Sunday evening. So all the work for that week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, will not be due until Sunday, which will be September 13th. That's when I will begin to look to grade them. So you have the opportunity to work ahead. You also have the flexibility that if you fall a little bit behind, you can catch back up. So that pretty much covers what I want to cover right now at this point. My suggestion to you over the weekend is if you want to go in and take a look at some of the features of social studies, that is great. And then my suggestion on our first day of full classes, which is next Tuesday, September 8th, is you come in and check our announcement for social studies. You will log into your week 1 folder. You will go to the Tuesday, September 8th subfolder, and you will get to work on that information. If you have any questions, you are more than welcome to email me at my email. My email is zjbush, B-U-S-H, at smcps.org. I hope you and your family have a restful, fun, and relaxing Labor Day weekend. I want to take the opportunity to have everybody take a deep breath. We are all in this virtual education together, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Talk to you soon. Bye.